Hi Cancer, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pero inyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Cancer. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Sa mga nagtatanong, all my readings are timeless. I'm publishing readings for all signs every week. One for guidance or gabay, and one for love and romantic situation. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Cancer. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. Ano yung mga gabay or mensahe para sa mga Cancer? Merong I, psychic ability, trust your intuition. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you are gifted spiritually. Your intuition is sharp. Okay. Malakas kayo makiramdam. Both money or property through an inheritance, winning or windfall. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You will be receiving money, okay, from an inheritance or mga properties. Okay. Yeah. Merong windfall for some of you. Windfall of money. Winning. Okay. Dragon, beware of self-delusion. Okay. Be aware of that, Cancer. August. August will be the month na importante sa inyo. May mga important na mga pangyayari, events, occasion in the month of August. Okay. Bow. You are highly thought of, okay? Merong someone na naalala ka or iniisip ka, okay? Broken wishbone. Wish will not be granted, okay? For some of you, merong delays, okay? Sa mga gusto ninyong mangyari, okay? Okay, may mga delays or changes. Okay. Tingnan natin. Paano pa yung mga messages, gabay, for Cancer? For Cancer, please. Be patient, Cancer, if you are waiting for something, for an opportunity, or meron kayong mga plans. Okay. Just wait for the right timing, for the perfect time. Believe or trust the process. Okay. Trust the universe. Sometimes rejection is for your protection. Okay. Think about that for some of you, Cancer. Ano yung mga gabay or messages for Cancer, please? Cancer. 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 Oh. Yeah. Meron kayong pagdidesisyonan, okay? May mga bagay kayo or sitwasyon na wini-weigh ninyo, okay? You don't know what is happening to you emotionally. Sometimes you're okay, sometimes you're not. Parang wala kayong peace of mind. You are bothered emotionally, okay? That is for some of you. You have to manage your time well, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, when it comes to finances or sa kaperahan, you are managing it well. or kung ano lang yung meron kayo ngayon, minamanage nyo, okay, ng maayos. Yeah. Okay. You need to be strong, Cancer, sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay ninyo, okay? You need to be brave and courageous. Sa work man to, sa personal life, or sa relationship man to, love, or romantic situation, okay? Forgive. And kung meron man kayong mga harsh judgments, or judgments sa ibang tao, or sa isang tao, release it, okay? Huwag magtanim ng sama ng loob, okay? For some of you, this is the advice. Yeah. You have to deal with the situation with kindness, okay? And understanding. Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan mo mag-spend ng time sa kanila, sa mga tao na mahal mo. Family members, okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you're thinking about your money, allocation of your money. Tinitingnan ninyo kung ano yung mga expenses. You are budgeting, okay? Meron kayong ibang gustong bilhin, pinag-iisipan ninyo. Meron kayong gustong bilhin. That will cost a lot, okay? Bibilhin or may gusto kayong i-purchase. May mga plano kayo, yeah, na mag-spend ng malaking pera onto something. Okay? Yeah. Take your time, Cancer. Okay? Minsan, kailangan mong palawakin ang inyong pag-iisip. Sometimes, you need to accept the current situation. Kung ano yung sitwasyon mo ngayon. You don't have to push or force something, okay, na hindi pa napapanahon. Yeah. You need to release control sa mga bagay-bagay or sa inyong current situation ngayon. Yung iba sa inyo, you need to take a break. Okay? And i-embrace mo, i-accept yung mga insights or ideas na pumapasok sa isip ninyo, Cancer. You need patience, Cancer, in your situation. Yeah. This is the best time for you para makapag-isip ka, i-assess ang inyong situation ngayon, whether in your personal life, sa trabaho mo, sa career, sa relationship. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo nag-iisip, mag-change ba kayo ng work, change ng direction ng buhay, okay, ng location. Meron kayong kailangan pagdesisyonan. May ina-assess kayo na sitwasyon. Pwedeng love, relationship, okay? Or sa career mo. It's time for you to move on to a new direction, Cancer. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo nag-iisip about partnership, okay? Yeah. Pinagdidesisyonan ang isang relasyon. Yung iba, mayroong forgiveness and closeness na mangyayari sa situation. Okay? Yeah. Merong pag-uusap, planning na mangyayari sa trabaho. Okay? Yeah. Pag-uusap, planning about getting together or getting together. Yung iba sa inyo, business partnership, pag-uusapan about money, about work plans, may projects na pag-uusapan, mayroong agreements, okay? Yeah. Kaperahan, kasiyahan about sa family, okay? Merong togetherness or gatherings na mangyayari, okay? It will make you feel good. Yeah. Trustworthiness sa relationship among family members or about sa partner or sa relationship mo. Yung iba sa inyo nag-iisip kung ano pa ang kailangan i-improve sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong ginagawa. Nag-iisip ng finances, improvement sa inyong finances, yung iba sa career, paano mag-improve, ano yung mga ways to increase your money, okay, your savings. Yung iba sa inyo, nag-aantay for some happenings, okay? Sa family mo to. Yeah. Yung iba is nag-iisip kung meron pa bang growth or patutunguhan or direction ang inyong situation or ang inyong ginagawa. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo nag-iisip if someone will be offering you or will invite you into something, okay? Invite you for dinner or paglabas, okay? Nag-iisip ka if someone will propose to you. Knight of Cups. Okay. Someone will be offering their love and their affection to you. They will express it for some of you. Okay? You need to take a break. Kung meron kayong problema or may mga issues kayo, sometimes yung rest, okay, or pagpapahinga or meditation can give you answer sa mga concerns or issues mo, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you need a vacation, you need rest in a situation, you need a break. Either in your love relationship, okay, or partnership or situation sa work. You need a break sa trabaho mo. Merong celebration, happiness, okay? For some of you, merong promotion na mangyayari. Yeah, announcement of promotion. Announcement of celebration, merong gatherings, okay? Yeah, merong nagawa. Yeah, for some of you, yes, merong mga interviews and nakuha ka sa work. Okay? Yeah. Gathering, celebration, announcement. Yeah. Yung iba, nag-worry about that. Self-fulfilling prophecies, self-limiting beliefs. Okay? Puro negative ang naiisip. Ina-anticipate na negative or hindi maganda ang mangyayari, okay? Nag-worry. Merong sleepless nights, okay? Cancer. You're exhausted mentally. Yeah, yung iba is nag-worry over this, kung meron bang get together or pagsasama uli. Okay? Yeah, nag-iisip na parang wala nang magandang mangyayari. Okay? It may be sa work mo, or sa relationship, or sa family. Okay? Merong doubts sa situation. Yeah, you need to go out, okay? You need some fresh air, Cancer. Kailangan mo ng sunlight, okay? You need to recharge yourself. You have a lot of fear and insecurities about yourself or sa situation mo, sa career mo to, or sa relationship, okay? Yeah. Merong doubts, fears, okay? Release your fears. Cancer. Yeah. You feel na parang wala nang pag-asa, okay, sa situation mo. Yeah. Okay. You are concerned, very concerned about sa situation. Merong worries, sleepless nights. Okay. Merong doubts. Yung iba sa inyo, it's time to move on. Change your direction, okay? Pwede sa relationship, sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. Pinag-iisipan nyo ng mabuti kung ano pa yung magaganda or pwedeng mangyari sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Wheel of Fortune. The situation suddenly moves, Cancer. Okay? May mga positive change na mangyayari sa inyo. Okay? Gifts of time and attention. Someone will be giving that to you. Okay? Kung meron mang hindi fair na nangyayari sa situation mo. Okay? Merong fairness. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you will be giving or receiving money and attention. Yeah. May improvements sa money, okay? Increase of salary, receiving receiving money. Basically, improvement sa money mo. Okay, money matters, financial matters, may improvement. Yeah, King of Pentacles. Yeah. Kung meron kayong mga opportunities na darating, may mga opportunities na ino-offer sa inyo, accept it confidently. Okay, you will be successful on that. Okay. You need to be wise also sa mga decision making mo. Okay. Yes. Yeah. There will be joy and contentment in your situation. Okay. Celebration. Coming together. Okay. Kung meron man kayong mga projects na ginagawa, you will complete it. Okay. You will finish the job successfully. There will be joy and contentment, togetherness, celebration, marriage. Yeah. That is for some of you. Let's see kung ano yung message sa inyo from the Spirit Message Oracle cards. For Cancer, please. Cancer. Cancer. Have a more faith in yourself. Be proud of how you are navigating every curveball that life throws at you. How you deal with those times shows your true inner resilience. Nothing can break that. That in itself is an inspiration for others. Keep shining your light. Okay? That's one message for you, Cancer. Let's see from the angel number. Ano yung message for the Cancer, please? Message for Cancer. Okay. Number 7. If you keep seeing the number 7, this is the message for you. You possess a very refined mind and a deep urge to uncover life's mysteries. Your ability to acquire vast knowledge on both the informational and spiritual planes gives you a greater awareness than most. I am brilliant. Yes, you are brilliant, Cancer. So believe in yourself. Do not overthink. Do not worry. Okay? Care for your well-being. Mind your health. So, these are the messages for you, Cancer. Maraming salamat sa iyo. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!